Are you thinking about buying a new home this year? Whether you've never owned a home before or it's been a while since you've purchased, you might want to consider the pros and the cons. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey with Engel Voelkers Real Estate. So when you're thinking about buying a home in La Cañada, La Crescenta, Shadow Hills, and the Foothills area, here are some of the reasons why this is a good idea at this time.
Number one, your wealth can increase as you build equity in your home. Research from experts and economists from the Home Price Expectation Survey believe that we are going to continue to see an upward trajectory in Los Angeles area home equity throughout 2024. Based on the average sales price in the foothills of $1,173,000, after 6 years you'd have over $190,000 worth of appreciation. The second thing is you gain a tax advantage. Mortgage interest and property taxes are tax deductible per IRS code. You can speak to your accountant for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax savings when owning a home.
According to CoreLogic, rents are going to go up and mortgages most likely are going to plateau. Number 4, you can stabilize your payments. Monthly payments are relatively steady if your loan has a fixed interest rate, while your landlord can increase your rent. In fact, in virtually all of California, there are few rent controls on single-family home rents. Each community can vary somewhat. And since there is no end in sight for the shortage of homes in California, there's no way to predict how high rents can actually go.
Number 5, you'll have a secure place for you and your family to live and grow. You can also decorate and expand your home in a way that you like to create your dream home and increase its value. The 6th is to gain a sense of community. Homeowners often are more involved in the well-being of their communities. Many homeowners work together for better schools and less crime. Now, we have to be honest here. We could go on and on about the benefits, but let's take a look at the cons when purchasing a home here in the foothills.
So you need to think, first of all, about the maintenance cost. It takes work and money to keep a home in good condition. It's sort of like a car. If you don't change the oil, the car could blow up. Number 2, it can tie up your cash. Selling a home may not be possible during the first few years of ownership. Moving in is more difficult and complicated, and you may not have as much flexibility in choosing a new job location.
Number 3, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee that your home will always increase in value. In fact, some years it may actually decrease. Number 4, it obligates your finances. When you buy a home, you're obligated to make that monthly payment no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a bit of a nest egg as a backup for a rainy day. So there you have it. But let's be real. Buying a home can seem scary.
So call us, John and Claire Hickey here at Engel Voelkers Real Estate. Let us guide you home. We take all the worries and the pressure so that you can make a more informed decision. Oh, by the way, when you buy the average home here in the foothills, the average loan balance will be about $50,000 smaller at the end of the first 5 years and about $142,000 smaller after the first 10 years. That's such good news.
Please reach out to us. With over 40 years of local real estate experience, we can assist you through this big life decision and get you the best return on your investment. We're John and Claire Hickey with Engel Voelkers Real Estate, and we love guiding you home.